Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to schedule dark mode on Infinix Hot 40i device. Well, knowing how to schedule dark mode can be beneficial for reducing eye strain and improving readability, especially during low light conditions. Additionally, scheduling dark mode can help conserve battery life on devices with OLED or AMOLED displays, as dark pixels consume less power than bright ones. It's a feature that enhances both user comfort and device efficiency. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, go ahead and open Settings menu. Well, so here select Display and Brightness option. After that, click Schedule here. Okay, next, activate Custom Schedule and then set the time here, whether it is for light theme and dark theme activation. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to schedule dark mode on Infinix Hot 40i device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.